देवियों सज्जनों, फ्रेंड्स, आज की शाम बेहद खास है. It is the world of cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, in a world of today where perceptions is regarded as much more important than substance, it's only the world of films and cinema that makes our life colorful, that makes us connect with our loved ones. After all, since childhood, बचपन से हम सब ने एक ही सपना देखा है, कभी न कभी किस टाइम पर, to be a part of the films, either to watch films, great films made by Kamlesh sir, be it Tezab or Rang De Basandi, to bring colors in our lives, and at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, either it would be in the entire artistic way of filmmaking or as actors. Ladies and gentlemen, towards the beginning, it gives me a huge honor to welcome each and every one of you on behalf of Cine Dreams International Film Festival 2K24, where the dreams come true, where we all connect globally, and it's always about the universal love which makes us connect. ये बहुत खूबसूरती जो बात होती है, खूबसूरत बात होती है आर्टिस्ट में, और खूबसूरती आर्टिस्ट की यही बात में है, इसी बात में है कि हम सब हर टाइम पे, चाहे वो पैंडेमिक हो, चाहे वो कोई भी कैलामिटी हो, इट्स ऑलवेज आर्टिस्ट दैट कीप दिस लाइफ हैप्पी, एंड वो हमेशा स्प्रेड करते हैं लव, हैप्पीनेस एंड जॉय. So ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, it gives me a huge honor to have all of you here. Friends, my name is Simran Ahuja, and towards the very beginning, we are truly thankful to our beautiful country, Bharat. I kindly request you all to rise for our national anthem, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जलित तरंगा, कब सुनामी जागे, कब सुनाशिष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय, भारत माता की
Jai! Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. What a beautiful feeling to be connected due to our cinema, who's been in the film world for decades together, with his experience as different endeavors, overall filmmaking endeavors, and at the same time, जो खुद तो सपने देखते हैं, लेकिन दूसरों को भी सपने दिखाते हैं. और हमारी फिल्म्स को ऑफ कोर्स एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए, द फिल्म फेस्टिवल प्लेटफॉर्म, where we could showcase our talent to the world, where the society will get to learn about all the different arenas of life across the world, where we, across cultures, of course, all become one by being together, celebrating together, as they always say, friends who watch cinema together always stay together. So welcome to all our friends from the United Kingdom and all across the world who joined us here for this prestigious festival. Towards the beginning, may I please request you all to please put your hands together for Ayub Khan साहब, जिनका ये सपना था, उनका सपना ये साकार हुआ है, और ये खूबसूरत सा फेस्टिवल की शुरुआत हो रही है पहली बार. आयुब सर, आपको ढेर सारी बधाई हो टुवर्ड्स द बिगनिंग. और मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगी आप सबसे, क्योंकि हम सिनेमा में हैं, वी आर हियर एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल आवर फेवरेट पीवीआर सिनेमा, फील फ्री, आप ऑफिशियली सीटी भी बजा सकते हैं. कमलेश सर, वी ऑल लव द वर्ल्ड ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, एंड ऑफ कोर्स मनोज सर, as I always come with my mobile phone, can I have a selfie? हमारे हाथ में gadgets हैं, so throughout we are very busy taking photographs and videos. So feel free, we can't put our hands together. योगा नहीं कर सकते हैं, वो ताली बजाने वाला नहीं कर सकते हैं अगर हम फोटो ले रहे हैं. So feel free to say wow, amazing, ये Cine Dreams, जो आपके दिल में आता है आप सीटी भी बजा सकते हैं. क्या बात है सुनील जी. मुंबई शहर में और किसी को सीटी बजाने आती है? सिनेमा वाले I like that. तो आप सब please CD बजाएं because we are here for a grand celebration. Here at our place, I like. ये बहुत अलग CD है यार. मतलब मैं डर रही हूँ वो कौन सी टाइप की CD थी? ऐसे सब. कौन सी CD है सर? आज मैं सीख के जाऊँगी कुछ यहाँ से. I like that. So Ayub ji, before we go ahead, हम सब spiritual souls हैं going through this human experience. And it's always the magic of cinema which wins our hearts. So without any further ado, this is the beginning of the miracle. For being here, out of the 728 films that were sent to us for different categories, ladies and gentlemen, only 54 were selected. I won't say they were the best ones. Yes, every film is the best one. But we either have the best or the super best. But 54 films in different categories were selected, out of which Kal aur Parson, 2 din where we had this film festival screening of films, there were 32 films which were screened. So that got for a huge round of applause. Ayub sir, Pehla festival aapka, and this has been really magnificent. So you can smile. Everybody put your hands together for Ayub Khan Saab. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you to felicitate our esteemed jury. Ladies and gentlemen, और हमारे jury के बाद हमारे last, so this is very special moment. May we please welcome our jury members, Mehul Kumar, writer director, K.S. Adyaman sir. May we please kindly welcome Rajiv Verma, actor, Sanjay Masoom, our writer. Thank you to Seema Pahwa, actress, writer, director, Komal Nahata, film critic. Thank you very much. He's here with us on stage. Let's give it up for Satluj Dheer, our renowned producer. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Satluj Dheer sir. I'm going to please welcome Subhash Sahuji, writer, director, sound designer. Parag Chapekarji, our film critic, please. Let's welcome Atul Mohanji, our complete cinema editor. Let's welcome Lata Srinivasan, journalist. Anil Dubey ji, writer, director, please. Ladies and gentlemen, our esteemed jury, let's put hands together for Anil Dubey ji, our renowned writer and director at the Cine Dreams International Film Festival. हम प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे अनिल दुबे सर. सतलुज सर ने ऑलरेडी शुरुआत में बात की, तो जरूर आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे, प्लीज सर.
सबसे पहले तो सिने ड्रीम्स की पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और कि उन्होंने जूरी के लिए हम लोगों को चुना. बहुत अच्छी फिल्में आई. अयूब भाई ने ये जो कोशिश की है और इस तरह का जो प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, इससे मुझे लगता है कि शायद ये पहला साल था, इसलिए थोड़ा टाइमिंग का ऊपर नीचे हो गया, पर उससे डिसअपॉइंट नहीं होना चाहिए. अगले साल से शायद सारी चीज़ें टाइम पे हो जाएंगी, और मुझे लगता है और ज़्यादा संख्या में लोग आएंगे, क्योंकि लोगों को नए प्लेटफॉर्म मिलते हैं, नए लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं, और इसी बहाने हमें अपने देश के तो अलग अलग हिस्से के लोग मिल ही जाते हैं, उनकी फिल्में देखने मिलती हैं, बाहर के लोगों की भी फिल्में देखने मिलती हैं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
बहुत शुक्रिया सर. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please welcome singer director Saikat Das. Thank you so much for all the love and help, Saikat, and for cueing me and helping me as well. Ladies and gentlemen, singer director Saikat Das. Let's put hands together for Saikat. I'm going to please humbly request Manoj Joshi sir. May we please put hands together for Sir Ashit Chatterjee for joining us here this evening. Thank you, Ashit. Humble thanks to Ashit Chatterjee for joining us here this evening. Thank you so much. It's a huge honor, sir. Cine Dreams International Film Festival 2K24, and we present अपने various किरदारों से तो हम सबका दिल जीता है, लेकिन जिनका incredible work has been humongous, applauded not just by our country but around the world. And give it up everyone for our living legend Manoj Joshi ji, just for your humble presence. Let's give it up. Wow, what a beautiful moment, ladies and gentlemen. आज जो यहाँ पर brightness है is just because of Manoj Joshi sir. We can't thank you enough, sir, for giving us your valuable time and for hours you've been here with us. हमारे लिए ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा पल है. ये फूल भले ही छोटे हों, सफेद है, बहुत ही छोटे हो, लेकिन उसके हर पत्ते में दिल से हमारा प्यार है आपके लिए. थैंक यू सो मच फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ आवर हार्ट्स. थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम गोइंग टू रिक्वेस्ट.
Actually, an absolute honor to be giving the memento to one of the finest actors in the film industry as of today.
Mr. Hari Kishan Sippy ji, please, our General Manager of PVR. Mrs. Kiran Mohan ji, our producer. I'm going to please request our media personality, Mr. Sajid Electricwala, once again to join us here. Please come, Sajid. This is for your honor. Please come, darling. Come. Thank you very much, Mr. Sajid Electricwala. As we like to welcome our marketing partner, Green Graph Service. Please, aa jaye aap. Marketing partner, Green Graph Service. Ladies and gentlemen, हमारे ज्यूरी का हम तहे दिल से स्वागत करना चाहेंगे और आपके शुक्रगुजार हैं लगातार 3 महीने से जो आप हमें अपना वक्त दे रहे हैं, डिसीजंस दे रहे हैं. हमारी ज्यूरी जिन्होंने ये डिसीजंस ली हैं, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर. थैंक यू सो मच. वी आर ट्रूली थैंकफुल टू आवर मार्केटिंग पार्टनर ग्रीन ग्राफ सर्विस. थैंक यू गाइस. थैंक यू टू माय लवली टीम गाइस. Can we be a little faster, my lovely team, okay? Thank you. Thank you very much, Green Graph Service Marketing Partner. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. No, sir. I'm waiting. You can smile. He's not smiling. So your felicitation is also there. You can smile. Thank you. Yes, sir. One last, sir. One last. Manoj, sir, please. Can we have the memento for our dignitary, please? Thank you. Azad Patel Saab. Thank you so much, Azad Patel Saab. Thank you. To thank our esteemed jury, हमारी distinguished jury है, group, may we please welcome Dr. Shyam Singhania, please. Please, please. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, everybody, put your hands together for the philanthropist, our living legend, Dr. Shyam Singhania, and I've been very fortunate, to having won 18 consecutive Ras Garba titles, India and America. And अब मैं टाइम स्क्वायर में परफॉर्म करके आई हूँ एंड आई बीन द क्वीन एंड थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी ऑन द कवर पेज. मेरा ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेडिशनल अटायर में पहली बार हो रहा है एंड दैट्स 2 फिल्म्स टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. वंस अगेन बॉबी खान साहब, our producer and UNESCO President of India. May we welcome Mr. Feroz Ahmad Sheikh, entrepreneur and producer. Feroz Ahmad Sheikh साहब. May we welcome Mr. Kazir Khalid, IPS officer. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we'll continue with our awards, ladies and gentlemen, as I said. And this goes for the best sound for a short film, and it goes to the film Betel Jewish. Congratulations to Betel Jewish. Congratulations to this film for the best sound in a short film. The best sound film, Betel Jews. Congratulations to you, sir. The very young and dynamic sound director for the film Beetlejuice. Hi, I'd like to hear from you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for organizing this festival. And it's been an honor to be here. यही जगह में बहुत सारे फिल्म देखे, बहुत सारे प्रीमियर देखे. And it's being pleasure that कि अपने फिल्म PVR में स्क्रीन होना, वो भी जुहू में. It's a very big honor, and made a short film travel all around the world, and it's been a pleasure that it's been a Mumbai premiere, and thanks a lot. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we please welcome our board of directors, Mr. Feroz Sheikh. आप कृपया हमारे साथ मंच पर जुड़ें. Thank you, sir. Lovely evening to you. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the best music feature film. And once again, it goes to the film Dada Lakshmi, and this one's for Uttam Singh. Come on, everybody, make some noise. Kuch seediyan ho jaye. Let's cheer and celebrate this amazing moment for the best music feature film. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you.
Gentlemen, to be honest, will you please welcome Mr. Bobby Khan from Bangkok? Kindly join us here, Mr. Bobby Khan, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the best sound feature film, and the award goes to Sarath Kumar M for the film Hello Meera का ये खूबसूरत सा बेस्ट साउंड अवार्ड फॉर द फीचर फिल्म जाता है टू सारथ कुमार. Congratulations sir. Congratulations sir. Hello Meera with one character and so special. Wow. He's on his way and he's here with us. I like that. Different pose होना चाहिए because Instagram पे लगना चाहिए कि different award है. Thank you. Congratulations, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, and this one goes for the best costume for a feature film. And this goes for the film Hamare Bara. One more time, let's give it up for Jasmine Java, Jaswinder Prasad, and Aarti Tiwari for the film once again Hamare Bara. Thank you, congratulations. मैंने कहा यार सारी कैटेगरी में आप अवार्ड्स ले जा रहे हैं. And this goes for the best costume. और इनके costume designers हैं Jasmine Java, Jaswinder Prasad and Aarti Tiwari. And with us is one of them. So congratulations. Like to hear from you, sweetheart. Presenting, ladies and gentlemen, the best costume short film. और ये जाता है to Subodh Anand and Nitin Marakole for the film Avtari. Congratulations. The best costume for short film, which goes to Subodh Anand and Nitin Marakari. Nitin Marakole. Ayub Khan sir, please मुस्कुराएं. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, the Cine Dreams International Film Festival 2K24. May we please kindly request Anil Dubey sir, आप कृपया मंच पर आ जाएं, हमारे साथ जुड़ें sir, to present the award for the best art director for the feature film The Rabbit House, which goes to Suresh Kumar. Congratulations Suresh ji. आर्ट डायरेक्टर जो विजुलाइज करता है जो डायरेक्टर को चाहिए of course, and to create that in that space alive हो जाती है and सारा क्रेडिट जाता है to the art director. सर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? दो शब्द सुनना चाहेंगे आप सर?
सुरेश, थैंक यू सो मच. सुरेश आज नहीं आए हैं. सिनेट ड्रीम्स को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ. इस तरीके से सम्मान.
May we please give it up for the finance hero, Dr. Shyam Singhania. Sir, आप जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for Dr. Shyam Singhania, ladies and gentlemen. The Films Today magazine to the NR group. He aces it all in the perfect way possible. Please स्वागत है आपका sir. So wonderful having you here with us. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And this goes the best feature film for the best background score. And the film is Navras Katha Collage. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो to Navras Katha Collage for the best background music. Congratulations dear. Wow. प्रवीण बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहेंगे आपको. एंड यू नो जब म्यूजिक सुनते हैं तो यूजुअली इट्स ऑलवेज नाइट टाइम पर आप लोग बैठते हैं और पता भी नहीं चलता सुबह हो गई कि अगली सुबह हो गई. सो प्लीज एक्सेप्ट दिस और ज़रूर आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे दो शब्द. ढेर सारी बधाई हो हमारी फीचर बैकग्राउंड स्कोर जो जाता है फिल्म नवरस कथा कोलाज. वी लाइक टू हियर फ्रॉम यू. प्लीज हमें दो शब्द ज़रूर कहें.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन दिव्या. ये दिव्या ने इस फिल्म का बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक दिया है. नवरस कथा कोलाज बेसिकली 9 कहानियों का, जैसे कथा कोलाज है 9 कहानियों का एक संग्रह है और 9 संदेश हैं, खूबसूरत संदेश है. और अब तक हमने कुछ 55 अवार्ड्स जीते हैं. इसको बहुत जल्द 18 अक्टूबर को रिलीज़ करने जा रहे हैं. तो आप प्लीज़ हम जैसे इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म मेकर को सपोर्ट कीजिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच.
film. And it goes to Shivanya Badrai for the film The Imam. Congratulations to the best child actor. Short film to jata hai to Shivanya Badrai for The Imam. So please aa jaएं. The kid's father in the film? Or the real? I'm sorry. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the best child actor short film, which goes to Shivanya Badrai, The Imam. And the real dad and the lady director, collecting the award. Congratulations, guys. Let's give it up for the best editor for a feature film. And the winner is Cornell's Box. Amazing, congratulations to Cornell's Box for the best editor feature film. Thank you. Let's give it up for Song Sang-min all the way from Korea, ladies and gentlemen. And give it up for the best editor. Come on, he's traveled all the way from Korea. And this is the kind of response and the applause and the cheer we have. Come on, everybody, Mumbai girls. Let's give it up for Song Sang-min. Thank you, Song Sang-min, for joining us here. Thank you, Song Sang-min. And as we know, that of course, Korea is also known for music and origination of the karaoke. Am I right? Is from Korea too. So it's wonderful having you here with us. Is this your first visit to our country, India? And how does it feel, you winning this award, international award? Thank you.
Thank you so much. This award so honor for me. Thank you, Cine Dream. I'm the second time visit in India. Second time, yeah, because I have a film production and film distribution in Korea, and also I wanna set up the film production in India, and so I want to make a film with the Indian production and Indian talent director, talented actor, actress. Yeah, I want to do. And yesterday, my film releasing in this festival in the first time. Yeah. And so I will release my film in India in November. I try. Yeah, and also this film in Korea releasing this November at the same time. Yeah, thank you so much.
Song Sang-min, you said you want to come up with a production house here, or you already have one. So you're looking forward to director and actors, because I like to audition too for your production house. Yeah, I can come for the auditions. I want to act in your film. Yeah. So do you have one, or are you planning to have one?
I will try to now research. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, Song Sang-min के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. And also, success पाने के बाद कोरिया में he wants to have a production house here in India, and he's looking forward to directors and actors. Please get in touch with him. And where's your popcorn, sir? Enjoy your popcorn.